right, number 3 wants us to find the arc length and the area of the circle. This is going to use the formulas from your circle note page. I've copied and pasted it right here, but you can reference that. This is not on your formula sheet. I don't think there's anything on your formula sheet. The only thing that it tells you is that the circumference of a circle is 2 pi r or pi d, and the area of a circle is pi r squared, so it will give you a portion of that. I mean, there's the circumference and there's the area, but you'll have to remember that it's a proportion where you do 54, because 54 is the angle measure, and if it's the angle measure, it's also the arc measure. So it's 54 over 360 is equal to the arc length over 2 pi r, and the radius is 10, so that would be 20 pi. And now we just cross multiply and divide. So 20 pi times 54. We want to keep it exact. It'd be 20 times, that's 1080 pi equals 360x. Okay, so if we're going to leave it exact, we divide both sides by 360. And that comes out to be 3 pi. And I'm not sure what the answer key says, so I'm going to do both. X is equal to 3 pi, which is about 9.4. Which is about 9.4. So, doesn't give me units, so I don't know if that's 10 centimeters, inches, feet, yards, I don't know. But the exact value is 3 pi, the approximate value is 9.4. And that is for, this is arc length. Okay, for sector area, I'm going to use, again, 54 over 360. This time it's equal to the sector area, that's what I'm looking for, divided by pi r squared. So the radius is 10, so 10 squared is 100 pi. Cross multiply, 5400 pi is equal to 360x. So divide both sides by 360, and I get 15 pi. So 15 pi is the exact value. If you want the approximate value, you multiply 15 times pi. I'm going to use the pi button on my calculator, and that's going to give me 47.1. And that's the approximate answer. If we go back over here, because I don't know what they want, scroll down, arc length is 3 pi, area of the sector is 15 pi. So they left it exactly. Again, if this is multiple choice, you will be able to see exactly what they want by looking at the answer choices. Okay, so on this one, they give us the apothem of a regular hexagon is 10 square roots of 3. Find the length of each side of the hexagon. So, you know, the apothem is the distance from the center to the midpoint of that side. I found the central angle. The central angle is 360 divided by 6. Why 6? Because a hexagon has 6 sides. Okay, so 360 divided by 6. And then you're going to divide that by 2. That'll be 60 divided by 2. That equals 30. So 30 is the measure of this angle right here. Okay, that's half a central angle. So this is a 30, 60, 90 triangle. This is the x side, this is the x root 3 side, and I'm getting this based on the location of the angles. The x side, which is the short leg, is always opposite the 30-degree angle. 60 is always opposite the x root 3 side, and then this is the hypotenuse. It's the 2x side. I don't need the hypotenuse for this one, but this is telling me that 10 square roots of 3 is equal to x times the square root of 3. Well, it's really easy to see here that x is equal to 10. You could algebraically find it by dividing both sides by the square root of 3. So that means that this side right here, oops, should have put a 10 right there, is 10. Now don't lose sight, this side right here that I just marked 10 is this side, so that means this is 10, so that means this whole side is 20. And why is that important? Because a regular polygon is 1/2 AP. Find the area of a hexagon. Oh, find the length of one side. We did that. So the length of each side of the hexagon, that's 20. And now the area is 1/2 times the apothem that was given, times the perimeter, and the perimeter is 20 times 6 because there's 6 sides and they're all 20. So I believe the exact value of that is, goodness, I'm trying to do mental math. 600, I think, square roots of 3. Let's see. 20 times 6 is 120. Times 10 is 1200, and then take half of that and you get 600. So 600 pi. So based on the answer key so far, I'm thinking that the answer is going to probably be an exact value. Geometry courses really do like exact value answers, but 600 square roots of 3 have an approximate value of 1039.2. And again, they didn't give me units for this, so I don't know if this is centimeters, inches, or what the unit of measurement is, but the answer to number 4, each side length is 20, the area of the hexagon is 600 square roots of 3. So I'm going to go ahead and stop this video because I don't have another page ready. Looks like this review is going to have a bunch of videos, but that's okay.